Guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to see about best 10 movies in Kollywood means Tamil movies. So we are going to see our best 10 because all many if you have seen other channels, they have did this best 10 movies but they did in Tamil, but I'm doing this in English for because of most people who don't know Tamil. They would like to search about the 10 movies, so I'm doing this video for all the viewers so everyone could see. That's why I'm doing this in English. So if you're new to our channel, you know what you have to do. So don't forget to do that. Number 10. Number 10, we have Talapati. Talapati came in 1991 and it has been acted by two great superstars, none other than superstar Rajinikanth and Malayalam superstar Mammootty. So there are beautiful songs in this movie and beautiful story. The story is a friendship, gangster, pair about siblings and about parents. Every full pack movie, and there have been beautiful songs in that too. And there's one song, Rakama Kayetate, which in this song has been in America's top 10 list for at least an year. For over an year, this song has been America's top 10 list, top 10 songs list. So if you haven't seen this movie, please go and watch it. And it is a very nice movie. And number 9, we have Sarpatta Parambara. Sarpatta Parambara is a movie which came in 2021 this year, and it is directed by Paranjit and acted by actor Arya. So this movie is based. This movie take place in 1970, 1980. At that time, only this movie take place. So this is a period film, and this is a good the good storyline, and there's a good songs in this movie. So if you haven't watched, I think still this movie is available. I think still this movie is available. So if you haven't watched this movie, please go and watch it. And I think this movie is a terrifying movie, and there's a huge cast in this movie, and no one is wasted. Everyone is used. Each and every cast members are used in this movie. No one is wasted. So you can watch this movie still. Number eight, we have Asuran. Asuran, which came out in 2019 and is directed by none other than Vetrimaran sir and acted by actor Dhanush. So this movie got many prestigious awards. One of the prestigious award from National Award, which got best actor for Dhanush and best director for Vetrimaran. And I think this movie is still available. If you could see this movie, I think it will be nice. And there's a good storyline in it. There's a good storyline in this movie, and not only the storyline but also it speaks about there are a low caste and high caste in the India which prevails still now, and it talks about them that too. So if you Number seven, we have Visarane. Visarane came out in 2015, and this movie is also directed by none other than Vetrimaran sir, and acted by Attakad Dinesh Samutrakani, and there are many others in this movie. So this is also a best story, and there's a best acting. Attakad Dinesh, he has acted in this movie very nicely, and there are many hard work for this. He had done many hard work for this movie. Unfortunately, he didn't get any recognition. He didn't get any best any award for his acting. I don't know why they didn't give any award for him, but still this movie is one of the best movie, and this should be in the list. Number six, we have Surare Porter. Surare Porter is directed by a female director, Sudha Kongar. I think this is the only movie which is directed by a female director in this list. Other all 9 movies are directed by male director. So if there are any female directors who are watching this, or if you know any female directors, please make more movies and please make more movies and give the best movies to us. So this movie is acted by none other than actor Surya, and this movie is also produced by him with 2D Pictures, which is also Surya and Jyoti, his wife. They too produced this movie, and this movie's music director is G. Prakash, and he has given nice songs for this movie. And this movie is based upon real life events. So if this movie came out last year, 2020, and this movie is still available in on Amazon Prime, I think, still available. If you haven't watched this movie, please go and watch this Sura Reporter, which is there on Amazon Prime. So guys, we reached to the top five. Top five, we have number five. We have 96. 96, which movie? This movie came out in 2018, and acted by none other than Vijay Sethupathi and Trisha Krishnan. And this movie is based upon a love story. I think this is the only movie which is based upon a love story in this list. Other all 9 movies, we have action, we have real life events, and there are other things in this movie, gangster series. Everything is mixed. but this is the only movie which is purely based upon love series. So this movie became a big blockbuster, and for many who see this movie know how the love stories, how the love story. So it brought back the memories to the viewers who seen this movie. So unfortunately, it didn't bring any memories to me because I studied in fully male section. Everyone was male in our class, so we didn't had anything. So if you are a guy who's studying fully about male section in the class, you won't get any feelings. Sorry for that. So, number four, we have Devar Magan. Devar Magan movie, which came out in 1992, which has been acted by two great actors, none other than Shivaji Ganeshan sir and Kamal Haasan sir. This movie has a huge cast, and not only huge cast, this movie gained lots of recognition. Not only a high budget movie and high recognition, still this movie after nearly 13 years, it has been nearly 13 years, still this movie in top five. So if you have a movie for almost for 30 years, if this movie has to be in top five, you should know how the screenplay, how this movie should be. So if you haven't watched this movie, please go and watch it, and give your comments how about this movie, how was it. And there's a rumors going on they are going to make a sequel for this movie. So we don't know, still there, still these are rumors. I mean, these are rumors, they are going to make a sequel for this movie. So we don't know whether this is a true or this is a false claim, but it is good if they did make a sequel for this movie. If they made a sequel, I think that would be it has to be to that type. If they didn't, it came out to that prequel one, previous one, that they shouldn't go to a sequel. So my preference is don't make a sequel for this movie. It's better keep it like that way, and it will be good. Switch to number three. Number three, we have Anbe Sivan, and this movie came out in 2003, and nearly I think 20 years. This movie came out, I think nearly 20 years. So this movie is acted by none other than legendary actor Kamal Hassan sir and Madhav the Madi and Nasser sir, and many other cast and crew members acted in this movie. So this movie is also not only just a typical, but it's also a very great movie. And there's many tough things in this movie. If you have seen the how tough acting he has, even the Kamal sir, he has been tough acting. I think no one can replace this role. He has done justified. He has justified this role, and he has done the best he can. So if you haven't, I don't want to spoil the movie. If you haven't watched this, please go and watch it. And this is one of the best movie. Uh, Go and watch it and see how that movie, it gives different kind of feelings for different one who has seen this movie. Number two, we have Pariyerum Perumal. Pariyerum Perumal is directed by Mari Selvaraj and acted by Kadir and Anandi, and there's a dog. Its name is Karpi in this movie, which means Blackie in English. So this movie came out in 2018, and it has been the number one since 2018 to 2021 until this year. And this year, this came to number two. And if you haven't watched this movie, please go and watch it. I hope you will like it. And this speaks about casteism in India, which still prevails now, which still prevails. And this is a good story. If you haven't, finally, at last, we reached to number one. So if a movie it has to be a number one, first position, it has to be good in cast wise. There has to be good actors in this movie, good actors and good actresses, and there has to be a good storyline, and it has to be directed by a good director, and produced by a good company, good produced company, production company. Sorry, a production company. So this movie has all of it, and none other than Jai Bhim. Jai Bhim came out in 2021. It means this year, and I think still this movie is available. If you haven't watched this movie, please go and watch this. And this movie is based on real life events which took place in 1995, which took place in 1995. And there's a court scene in this movie which took place for almost for 13 years. For 13 years, this court scene took place. But for the sake of this movie, they minimized it for like 4 to 5 months. But actually, this took place in 13 years. And these movies also speak about the casteism which still prevail in India. Most of the places which it is, there are still people about low caste, high caste, those type of things are still prevailing in this time too. I don't know why they are still talking about high caste and low caste still at this time, but still this happening in India. So they made this movie, and this movie gained a huge success. And I think this movie will get almost every awards in the in every function. I think for this year's 2021, if they give award, I think this movie will get every awards in every section. for best actor, best actress, everything. So this movie is acted by Manigandan, Lijimol Jose, and Surya himself acted in this movie as Lord Chandru. And yeah, I don't want to spoil this movie. If you haven't watched this video, please go and watch it. And I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please give a thumbs up, and please share this video with everyone you know. Please share. Please share it. I hope please subscribe this channel too. Don't forget to subscribe it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.